How to view recently watched video on YouTube. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So for that, you need to first open up your YouTube application on your device. Sure, here you will be able to see the various TikTok videos. You can also search for those and view. So for example, if you select a video like this and you exit from this video and want to watch the same video again, then the simple step is you need to tap on your library option at the lower button of the right hand side, and at the history you can see there is the video that you have played recently. If you want to view the video that you have watched in the past days, then you can go for view all option at the right hand side, and from over here you will be able to see all of the videos that you have watched previously. So this is how you can view recently watched video on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.